Okay, so when changing from the chainsaw head or chainsaw cutting accessory and changing over to the hedge trimming head, it's the same shaft that you need to use. There's two Allen bolts here. Use the tool that came with the pack and just unscrew those. They will be quite tight, so just you might need a little bit of strength. Okay, so once they're unscrewed, one will locate into a hole, so you need to make sure that the central one is almost all the way out, and the pole will just slide out like that, and you can see the holes there. Exactly the reverse for the hedge trimmer head. You might need to just slide that out in order to get it in. Like that. Line the holes up. It's really important that this central one's lined up, because obviously that's going into the hole in the shaft. This one is just tightening around the shaft. So do them up more or less finger tight.